Guys, I am doing a very good boost. I might be on the leaderboard. Let me go check if I am. Yes, a snowflake. I need one more before I can buy the Merry Mondo bundle.
Let's go.
Yes, I got it. Yes, I'm number 1. Get new bello. Elo is such a noob. Mwahahaha.
The last thing they want is a power struggle with entrenched management.
The deal is off if you come with it. The board expects your resignation in 30 days.
But you can't do this to me. I started this company. You know how much I sacrificed? Oh, Max, please.
Norman, the board is unanimous. We're announcing the sale after the World Unity Festival. I'm sorry.
You're out, Norman.